Yep, I do DIY, natural hair, mommy and me, lifestyle content. I do it all. Hello angels, welcome back to my channel. It's Ray Savvy and I'm back with another video to help you live your blessed life in the most frugal way possible. Back in 2023 with another Phalange Friday. Of course, I had to do a set inspired for the new year and the new things we are walking into. I just purchased the Cricut machine for the Lolo not too long ago, so I wanted to test it out. Instead of buying decals for my nail, I wanted to make a 3D decal and put it on my nails. So I'm just gonna explain pretty much. I'm taking it off. If you have a Cricut machine, you know how to use this. If you don't, you might want to watch some videos on how to use it, or I could very well give you a more detailed video in the future, but this is just me showing you all. And then I take the vinyl and stick it on a piece of plastic, a simple piece of plastic that I probably got off of one of the Cricut packaging for the vinyl that you purchase. You can purchase the vinyl at Target, but like I said, if you have a Cricut, this makes so much sense. If you don't, just stick with me, y'all. You can use probably a regular sticker to do this. One thing I would change is I wouldn't use the glue that I used. I would use regular nail glue. I overthought it pretty much and adhered my 3D laminated, pretty much laminated, not really laminated, my 3D vinyl stickers with the glue I used for my rhinestones, and it didn't last long, so that was the only thing I would change. But like I said, this is my first time, a learning experience for me and something to look forward to in my nail videos in the future. So short, sweet, to the point. Thanks for tuning in 2023. Let me keep this momentum going. As always, I pray you all continue to live your very blessed life. And as always, be so blessed, so blessed, so blessed.